Now you see the traffic light is green and it's time for us to make a move, and that is exactly what we are gonna do. This road, they have a patch that is relatively new, and the drive on this is actually quite smooth. Also in Sharafiyah, on one side you would see these normal sorts of accommodations, but on the other hand you would see some very high-end luxury villas and homes. The comparison is stark, but anyways, that's the sort of place it is. Here you see all these wonderful homes. They seem to be like in the mid-range, but as you move on to the other side you would start seeing these villas, and then you would also see some farmhouses as well. Streets of Sharafiyah. And we are driving a Changan Eado 2025. You see, check this out, mashallah, a very beautiful home. It's being made. They have a basement parking, but it looks very wonderful from the outside. Okay everyone, that would be it, and we'll see each other quite soon. Thank you.